How to change region in League of Legends. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change the region in League of Legends, you have basically two ways to do so. One is to transfer your in-game region and second one is to create a new account. Now to transfer the region, one thing that you should know is you'll be needing at least of 2600 riot points to initiate the region transfer. If you have the 2600 riot point, you can easily change it by heading over to the in-game store. Then from there, just click on the account tab in the top right corner. After which you'll be needing the option of account, then click on it and you'll be able to select the desired region from the list. Proceed with the transaction that is 2600 right point and confirm the reason change. If you don't have the 2600 right points, next thing you can do is you can actually create a new account of League of Legends and while signing up you need to select the desired region instead. So, hopefully, this information was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.